And welcome. In this session, we're going to look at how to use the AI or artificial intelligence in accountancy. So if you are a student or if you are a teacher, so it will be very wonderful tools to you to use. Today, I'm going to show you the site called Gamma, and in this site, you can prepare the presentation or any sort of note you like on accounting or any other topic you like. So I'm going to show you for the accounting. So all you have to do, you have to log into Gamma. It's free, you don't have to pay for that. And all you have to click here, create a new. Once you have created new, you have to create here generate. And after that, they will give you sort of option what you like to create today. You all like to create a presentation, you like to create a document, or you like to create a web page. So I'm gonna go for the presentation because I need to prepare a presentation for myself or for my student. And on what topic? I would say like depreciation. Make sure the spelling are correct, and once I'm happy with my topic, the area I like to prepare the presentation, the depreciation, I'll click OK. And after that, they'll give me sort of definition, sort of what I think, is it correct or not. If I said like, okay, definition of the depreciation, calculation method, this all I want to show my student, or if I want something more, I can always add it, or I can click here, try again. It will give me the new option, some new area that I like to see on the presentation. So I'm happy with that. I say continue, and after that, they'll give you some format, like some theme, what type of theme I like for the presentation on the PowerPoint. And if I said, okay, I'm gonna like this one, or I say surprise me, so it will change it, and let's say I say I like this one, so I'll click continue, and after that it will start preparing the presentation for me. See how amazing it is. So that's just magic. So it will type everything for you, and it will tell you the definition, how is it work, the method of calculation, and everything. So less than a minute, your presentation is ready to go. So that's it. So you can see here now my presentation is ready to go. So we have a definition of the depreciation. I can change the picture, I can change the wording if I like, I can do actually anything. So what is depreciation, method of calculating, for example, is straight line, declining, unit produce, straight line method, how does it work, then impact on the income statement, balance sheet, what is the importance, everything I have here. So once I'm happy with that, I can easily export it in a PDF or in a PowerPoint, or if I think I like to change something, I can always click and I can change it because it's rewritable. So all you have to do, you have to click on the right corner on the dot, and you have to click export, and the way you like, you can just click it, either export to PDF or either export to PowerPoint. It will not only download on your computer, it will give you a copy on your email as well, so that you can have a copy on your email and it's ready to go. That's a wonderful AI software. So if you need to prepare a presentation, or if you need to prepare a report for your student or for yourself as a teacher, that's the best tools for you, and you can save a lot of time.